In this video, I'll show you how to revert a commit on GitHub. First, open your web browser, go to GitHub, and sign into your account. Then open the repository that contains the commit you want to revert. Next, click the link that shows the number of commits above the list of files to open your repository's commit history. Find the commit you want to undo and copy its commit hash by clicking the commit. Now, open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your local copy of the repository. Run the git revert command followed by the commit hash. Git will create a new commit that reverses the changes made by the selected commit while keeping your project's history intact. After that, if Git reports any merge conflicts, resolve them, save your changes, and complete the revert. Once the revert is finished, push the new commit to GitHub using the git push command. Finally, return to your GitHub repository and refresh the page. Open the commit history again to confirm that the new revert commit has been added and that the original changes have been successfully reversed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to revert a commit on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.